Hey guys, so let's just jump straight into this. For eyebrows, I am using the 100% Pure Long Last Brows in the shade Taupe, and I feel like this is a really nice shade match. And I'm just lightly lining the brows, and then I'm just adding some hair-like strokes to the areas where I feel like I need to fill in. I'm using the RMS Uncover Up Concealer. I have it in the shade 22. Now I'm using this under my eyes, and then I'm also going to be using it on the areas of my face that has that hyperpigmentation left over from acne. Now I absolutely love this concealer. It never looks cakey. It has a very skin-like finish to it, and it's also nice and dewy, which I absolutely love. And then next I'm using the Vapour Atmospheric Luminous Foundation, and I have a little sample of this. I have used it a couple of times and I am really liking this. It has a really nice luminous dewy finish, looks really nice and skin-like, and I'm using my fingers to blend it in just because I think this gives the most natural and healthy skin-like finish to it. And if you're curious what shade I'm using, I am using shade number 123. Now I am using the RMS Uncover Up Concealer on the eyelids just to create an even base. Now I am using the RMS Buriti Bronzer, and I am just going to be using this to lightly contour or just bronze up the face. I am using this on the cheekbones, the forehead, and the jawline. Now this might look a little bit harsh at first, but you really just have to blend it a lot just to make it look really nice and natural. And now I am using the Alima Pure Satin Matte Foundation just to kind of powder those areas that are looking a little bit overly dewy, and also just to set those cream and liquid products. For highlighter, I'm using the RMS Magic Luminizer. I love this highlighter. I think it is super gorgeous and it looks really nice and skin-like. And I'm using this on the cheekbones, the nose, the cupid's bow, and then also on the inner corners of the eyes. To bring even more dimension to the face, I'm using the Lilah bronzer. This is such a gorgeous bronzer. It's not too orange, and I just feel like it looks like a really nice natural bronze shade. For blush, I'm using the Alima Pure Luminous Shimmer Blush in the shade Freja. Now it doesn't have a really strong shimmer to it, it just gives a really nice luminous finish to it, and I absolutely love the shade. I think it is so gorgeous, and it just really helps to liven up the face. For eyeshadow, I'm using the RMS Eye Polish in the shade Myth, which is a somewhat bronzy shade, and I just really like this to give the eyes a little bit more dimension. Now I am just curling the eyelashes, and for mascara, I am using the Alima Pure Natural Definition Mascara, and I'm using it in a brown shade just because I think that it looks a little less harsh than a black mascara does, just because I have blonde hair, and I think that this mascara does a good job at lengthening the eyelashes. For lips, I am using the Fitglow Lip Color Serum, and I am using it in the shade Gospel. It is this really pretty pink color. I feel like it is great for an everyday makeup look, or I feel like it is great for if you're dressing up as well, and it feels really nice and smooth on the lips. It doesn't just feel like a lip gloss, it feels like a nice lip treatment. Your lips are being nice and hydrated, and there are just amazing ingredients in this product, so I absolutely love it. Lastly, I'm using the Osea C Vitamin Boost, and I'm using this to refreshen the makeup and also to hydrate the skin. And I like using this as a skincare, but I also like this to set the makeup and also just to refreshen the look of the makeup. Alright guys, so that is the finished makeup look. I hope that you guys liked it and found it helpful. I would love to know what clean beauty makeup products you guys love, so please let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys would like to see more clean beauty videos from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!